Hey everyone, this is Garrett Ross, the Membership and Marketing Director of the Ottumwa Family YMCA. I just wanted to show you today how to use the Ottumwa Family YMCA's online registration system. Sometimes the system can be a little bit confusing, so we are going to make it very simple and easy for you to use today. So it's going to be a quick video. So you just start with opening your web browser. And you can bring up the Ottumwa Family YMCA website. Really simple, and you're just going to click on the online registration button right here. You click that link, that's going to take you to the program registration page. That's going to give you all of the information necessary for the many different programs that we have. Don't worry, there's different numbers in different areas because they can be categorized differently. But kind of look through these and feel free to peruse around a little bit and see some of the different program offerings that the Ottumwa YMCA has too. We've got lots of good things in here. But just for today's purposes, we're going to say that we're going to be registering somebody for swim lessons. So we're going to click on swim lessons there, and then we're going to run down here a little bit, and you can go to the categories out on the side and kind of select if you want a specific age group or anything like that. Feel free to go ahead and utilize that as well. And then you can scroll down through all the different opportunities and the different classes that are available. Once you get through all those, we're going to say that we're going to register somebody for stroke introduction. We'll click on that, then you can review a description of the program, specific times and dates. Things will be starting, what is the member and the non-member rate for the program as well too, as well as contacts for these programs as well. So we want to go ahead and continue to register, so we're going to click register. And then you come to this page, and this is where a lot of people get kind of confused. But if you already know that you have an online account available, then you can sign into it right here. If you don't know if you have an online account available, but you've been part of a YMCA program, or you've been a member at the YMCA within the past 2 years, we probably have your information already in our system, so you don't need to create a new account. And a lot of times I'll still recommend that people use the find account information right here and type in your last name and your birthday and your current zip code as well, and click submit, and that will search our system to see if anybody close to that information matches the information in our system. So either you're going to match or you're not, and if you're in there, great, and if you're not, then don't worry about it. You can go over here to create an account, and if you are in there, there will be a link for you to click to send a new password to your email that we have on file for you as well too. But if you already know your information here, then you can just enter it over here on I want to sign in, and that'll help you get through that as well too. So we have Jane Doe who is going to be signing into her account. And we get logged in here. So one of the first things that comes up is the agreements for program waivers. And so these are just program waivers basically saying that there's risk associated with any kind of physical activity as well too. So make sure to read through these thoroughly. And then down here at the bottom, you just type in your name and click I agree. That'll bring you to this page here. Now, if you have more than one child or more than one registration that you need to complete at a given time, go ahead and click Add More Programs up here, and that'll allow you to add on more registrations, so you don't have to go through the payment process more than once. But this is the only one that we're going to be doing for today at this time, so go ahead and click Next. And that brings you to the payment page here. And obviously it's going to make you make a payment of a minimum of the amount that is due at that standard, but we have this little button right here. So you're going to click the select payment method, and either you can do a new credit card or a new bank draft. If it's online, generally speaking, it's going to be a new credit card, but you can do a new bank draft account online as well too. No problem at all. If you have a blank check at home, you can create that as well too. And this little box right down here at the bottom is really important as well too, because that will actually save your payment information for another time. So if you want to register for another program online, you won't have to enter all of your information a second time. It will go straight through to showing your credit card available, and it'll keep it on file for you as well. So saves a lot of time if you want to register for programs or anything like that, from adult sports to personal training to youth sports to swim lessons to anything like that. So it'll just save it for any payment here at the YMCA as well. And that's pretty much it. Once you've entered your information, you save your card information, click pay, and it'll give you a receipt, and it'll track that information. It'll automatically drop you into whatever program rosters are necessary, and it'll get you all taken care of. So it's just that simple. But if you have any questions, the Ottumwa Family YMCA member service team is here to help you anytime at 684-6571. We'll answer your questions, and we'll get you all taken care of. Thanks for being part of the Ottumwa Family YMCA.